Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine. I'm back again, and today I have pretty much another accessory, but it's a safety feature. Okay, it's something that's going to help add a little bit more safety, a little bit of less stress on the back of your mind if you are ever involved in an accident and you couldn't get out of your car. Anyways, let's take a look at that. So what it is I have, my friends from EV Base, they sent me these emergency handle kits. That's for the back seat. I got a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition. And in the rear seats, down in the trash can, the drink holder, whatever you want to call it, inside the door, there's a little thing you pull out, and then there's an orange cable in there, a yellow cable, and you're going to grab it and it'll unlock the doors so you can get out in case of an emergency. Okay? So what they have sent me is these right here. So what it is, instead of taking off the cover and then reaching in there and grabbing the cable and having to pull it, all you got to do is just grab this handle right here, lift it up, and you pull. The cable is already going to be attached right here, and it just pulls it out right away, and then that way it unlocks your door and you can get out in case of an emergency. Really simple to install. One side for your right side, one side for your left side, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. We're going to go ahead and install it right now. Okay, so right now I'm in the passenger side, back seat, right hand side, and this is that little safety thing I was talking about. And right now you got to stick your finger down in here like this, and you lift up, and there's that yellow cable, and then you just simply pull on the yellow cable and it unlocks your door. See, I'm just pulling on it right there. That's about all you got to do right there, and it unlocks it. In fact, let's just test it out real quick. Okay, so I got my door closed. I'm just going to reach in here and see, and your door opens up just like that. All right, so once again, like I said, it's just a safety feature, being able to pull this thing out right here and do it. But we're going to replace this. If I got the right one here. Yep, this will be the right one here. Really, I'm just going to take this cable. See if I can do it with one hand since I'm holding my camera. So really, I'm just going to take this right here. I'm going to take that little hook. I'm going to take that hook right there and put it behind that wire. There you go. See? See if you can get in there. Right there. And then I'm just going to simply push this thing down in there. Get it in there. Just like that. There we go. I started putting the wrong one in there, so make sure that it shows the right hand door on there. Got it hooked up on there, and now I want to lift this up. Now I noticed after playing around with it that when you go to put the hook on, don't put the hook on right there. If you put it on right there, I'm noticing that when I'm pulling on the lever here, it's coming off. So I'm putting the hook on more like right here, and then put it down in there, and we're going to test it out. All right, got it installed. Pull it out. Pull on the cable. There's the doors open. There you go. Just got to pull on it more towards the front up here. But you can see there. Now, I'll be honest with you, sometimes I had some troubles getting that hook to stay on right there. But now that I got it on, it'll work every time. I hope. But even at that, if you... the good point of this is it's nice and bright and orange. It's easy to see. If you know, you can reach in here and you can pull this up and be able to get to that right there. So really, that's all it is. I'll go ahead and install the other side, and I'm done. Well, there you have it. These things, once again, it's just a little safety feature, so that way you can see if you ever get maybe in an accident or something like that, and you can't get out of your car, or somebody in the back seat can't get out. You just simply pull up the little red handle, pull it up. If it comes off the yellow strap, whatever, just grab that strap and pull. But either way, the orange handle is pretty cool because it allows you to see that, hey, this is an emergency exit right here. It's a little bit easier to find rather than just this little bit of carpet right here that has this little triangle. That doesn't help, and that doesn't really make it say, hey, pull this up right here. You know, whereas the orange handle, you can just pull on it. So anyways, guys, once again, this is from EV Base. The link in the description will be in the description down below. Plus, make sure you use my discount code. Save yourself some money, guys. And if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel for more stuff. And guys, be safe out there. Have fun and keep driving. Peace.